Potatoes are easy to grow at home. You can grow potatoes in a small space. You don't need a big garden. Potatoes are ready to harvest in a few months. Homegrown potatoes taste better than shop-bought potatoes. They are fresher and tastier. It is rewarding to eat what you grow. Growing potatoes is a great way to save money. You can grow a lot of potatoes in a small space. Potatoes are a versatile vegetable that can be used in many dishes. Growing your own food is good for the environment. You reduce food miles and packaging. You know exactly what has been used to grow your potatoes. You can't use any old potato for planting. You need to use seed potatoes. Seed potatoes are specially grown for planting. You can buy them from garden centers. Look for seed potatoes that are certified disease-free. Check the label to see what variety of potato it is. Choose a variety that is suitable for your growing conditions. Once you have your seed potatoes, you need to chit them. Chitting means encouraging the potatoes to sprout before planting. Stand the potatoes upright in a bright, cool place. Leave them for a few weeks until they develop short, sturdy shoots. Potatoes can be grown in containers or in the ground. If planting in a container, choose a large pot with drainage holes. Use a good quality potting mix. If planting in the ground, choose a sunny spot. Dig a trench about 10 centimeters deep. Place the seed potatoes in the trench, shoots facing upwards, space them about 30 centimeters apart, cover the potatoes with soil and water them well. As the potato plants grow, you will need to earth up around them. This means mounding up soil around the base of the plants. Potatoes need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Water the soil, not the foliage, to prevent diseases. Check your potato plants regularly for pests and diseases. You can use organic pest control methods if needed. Potatoes are ready to harvest when the foliage starts to die back. This is usually about 10 to 12 weeks after planting. To harvest the potatoes, carefully dig around the plants with a fork. Gently lift the potatoes out of the ground. Brush off any excess soil and leave them to dry for a few hours before storing.